In this video, Bitcoin is about to break this symmetrical triangle on the 1 hour chart, and guys, by the end of the video I'm going to show you the price target out of this pattern breakout, and also we're going to talk about the FOMC meeting which is going to take place today and that will have a huge impact on the Bitcoin price. Then we're going to have a look at the 4 hour chart where we are forming this double bottom pattern, and finally we're going to have a look at the daily chart where we formed this cup and handle pattern, which is telling us that a big reversal may be imminent. And so guys, if you want to know more about this, and if you want to know where I believe the price is going to go in the next few hours and days, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro, I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, we are still trading within this symmetrical triangle and the price is converging, so we will see a breakout to the upside or to the downside very soon, and I believe that the direction of the breakout this time is going to be decided by the FOMC meeting results, because guys, the Fed is going to decide during this meeting if rising interest rates or if keeping them stable. And of course, if they rise interest rates, that can be bearish, but if they keep interest rates stable for the first time in a very long time, then guys, this is going to be pretty bullish, and I believe we're going to see a pump both for Bitcoin and both for the stock market. So guys, we need to pay attention and we need to follow this meeting and understand what's going on, and we will not trade the news, but we will wait for a breakout and then place a trade. So we will long if we break this resistance here, and we will short if we break this support. And guys, I promised you that I would show you the price target out of this pattern breakout, but first I want to show you what's going on a higher time frame, because on the 4 hours chart we formed this double bottom pattern that you can see here, and basically we touched this level once and then twice, and so I am expecting a bounce here that will take the price of Bitcoin higher. And the level where we got the double bottom is the 25,600 US dollars level, as you can see here. And guys, I'm also going to show you the price target out of this pattern breakout, but first something even more important, because on the daily chart we formed this cup and handle pattern, guys, and this is extremely bullish, because if we break this resistance here out of this handle, then we're going to see a pump. And guys, the price target out of this pattern breakout, it's something mind-blowing, and this one I'm going to show you right now straight away. And so how do you measure the price target out of such pattern breakout? Well, first of all, we need to connect the bottom of the pattern to the breakout point, which is supposed to be at 27,700 US dollars approximately, and we then move this line to the breakout point, and this would give us our target at almost 40,000 US dollars, guys. And of course, this is mind-blowing, because if we measure this move basically with 10x leverage, this would be a fantastic 420% profit, guys. And I know we need to wait for a breakout, so we need to wait for the price to break this resistance and then enter this huge trade. And guys, we will get there in some months. It's not that it's going to happen very soon, because we are on the daily chart, and so I believe it's going to take some time before we get there, even if we break this pattern. So we will see up and downs, and then eventually we will reach 39,000 US dollars, which is the target out of this pattern breakout. And now guys, let me show you the target out of the double bottom pattern, and also let me show you that this same pattern, we saw it in May and it worked out very nice. And so look at this, we had this other double bottom pattern here on the 4 hours just in May, and when we touched this level the second time, the 26,000 US dollars level, then we saw this huge pump. And guys, if you got this trade, then you made already 80% profit or more with 10x leverage. And guys, congratulations if you got this trade. And now let me show you what could happen here with this other double bottom pattern. So how do you measure the target out of such pattern? We need to identify the neckline, which is here where we got this intermediate high, which is this one here. And so then we need to measure the distance between the lowest point of the pattern and the intermediate high. And then we move this line to the breakout point, which is when we break the neckline. And guys, we should reach 29,000 US dollars if the price goes from where we are right now till the neckline of the double bottom pattern, and then we break this level at 27,300 US dollars, which is the neckline of the double bottom pattern. And now guys, finally, let me show you the price target in case we break this triangle. And I'm going to show you both the bullish and the bearish scenario, because we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what is going to be the reaction of the market to the FOMC meeting results. And so let me show you right now how to measure the price target out of this symmetrical triangle breakout. And so you would connect the highest part of the pattern and the lowest one, and then you move this line to the breakout point. And if we break to the upside, this would take the price of Bitcoin till 27,400 US dollars, and with 10x leverage, guys, this would be a fantastic 46% profit. And if we instead break to the downside, this is going to be pretty bad, guys, because we would need to move this same line to the other breakout point in case we break to the downside by breaking the support of the pattern. And as you can see here, if we zoom out, the price target in case we break to the downside would be all the way down at 24,600 US dollars, guys. And we would short this move in case we break to the downside, and we would make, with 10x leverage, more than 44% profit. And so guys, I think for today I showed you everything, and all we have to do is waiting for the news coming out from the FOMC meeting. And it's not that we are trading the news, but we have to wait for that volatility coming in and for a breakout of this symmetrical triangle. And again, if we break to the upside, we're going to long. If we break to the downside, we're going to short. And guys, if you have any questions, write them down in the comment. I will answer every single question regarding the technical analysis, regarding FOMC meeting. Anything you have in your mind, you can share it with the community and I will answer every single question. And also please like this video so that more people can watch it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Bitcoin trading and investing. And guys, if you didn't watch my previous price analysis, you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next video.